eyelashes grow. They're just gone. Like they left town, and it was just ridiculous. It like starts to burn. What's up, people of the internet? My name is Kiana, and today's video I am giving you a eyelash extension 101. I think that's what I'm gonna call this video. I have gotten so many questions from my friends and my family all about my eyelash extensions, and I just thought it would be easier to make a video to give you the rundown on everything you need to know before you get eyelash extensions or how to maintain eyelash extensions. I think it's been 3 weeks since I've gotten my eyelashes done. I got them done on December 23rd. So basically, I got my eyelash extensions at a place called Han's Salon and Spa. I think I will leave a link to their website down in the description box below. They are located in Brampton, Ontario, just like around the Sandalwood area, if you guys are familiar with that area. It's basically a house that got turned into like a salon and spa. It's so beautiful inside. And the girl who did my eyelashes, I believe her name is Dawn. She does like everything for eyelashes. She does eyelash extensions and she does like perming and tinting for eyelashes, but everything is on the website and you can call them if you want to book an eyelash appointment. My eyelashes costed $80, I believe, and to get them refill is half the price, so around $40. That's actually pretty decent pricing for eyelash extensions because normally they are $100 to $120 if you get them done professionally. The lowest I've heard is around $60, I think. The highest I've ever heard is $120, so it's roughly around the middle, so that's perfect pricing for me. So when you get your eyelashes done, there are ways to maintain your eyelashes, ways to keep them intact and looking nice and everything. So for me, when I take a shower, I turn my head away from the shower head so that it's just like my hair and like my back getting wet from the water, because you don't ever want to be directly under the water. From what I found is that you never want water droplets to touch the eyelash extensions, because for me, and I know it happened to my sister too, once like water touches your eyelashes, they like the glue or like the adhesive or whatever, it'll start to like burn your eyes, which sounds really scary, but honestly I've gotten kind of used to it, which is really sad. But like you start to cry, and you never want to cry when you have eyelash extensions because it'll ruin the adhesive and it'll just like your eyelashes will just start falling off like crazy, and you never want that, especially if it is pretty recent to when you got it done. So you always want to turn away from the shower head so that the water is just going to your hair, and if you need to wash your body, move away from the shower head, like lift your face away from the shower head so that it doesn't touch it and your eyes won't start to burn. Also, I was told to sleep on my back instead of my side so that my eyelashes didn't get crushed from my pillow. So you want to sleep on your back so that your eyelashes are just free to do whatever the heck they want while you're sleeping. And I know that you constantly like toss and turn in your sleep, but you always want to start your sleep off by like lying on your back, or maybe just not putting your head directly against your pillow, because your eyelashes will start to crush, and then the more they crush, the more they're gonna fall off. So also you want to brush out your eyelashes, but you don't want to brush them out too much, or else they will start to fall off quicker and they will just be tugging on it constantly, and then they will eventually rip off. And if you want to save your eyelashes, don't do that. Another thing I've heard, you should never pull out your eyelash extensions, because what'll happen is your real eyelashes will start to grow patchy because of the damage of you pulling off the fake ones, because they are still attached to your lash line and where your eyelashes grow. So basically the way they fall off, your real eyelashes will start to grow because they're still attached to your head. So they'll grow out and they will eventually push out your eyelash extensions, and your eyelash extensions will just like fall off. It's just like a natural process. Like your eyelashes grow, the fake ones fall off, much like how your regular eyelashes grow and the old ones fall off. It's completely normal. So yeah, that's like the rundown on how to like maintain your eyelashes. So moving on to like my experiences, the whole process takes around an hour to 45 minutes. It is a long process because they have to put like each individual eyelash on to like your lash line. I will have to say, when you first get them done, you look crazy because of how full they are. If you've never gotten eyelash extensions, it'll look really like ridiculous. You get kind of used to how heavy they feel against your eyes. Honestly, they don't feel heavy at all. They just feel like your natural lashes. I try to refrain from like touching them because they feel fake, because they are. And I don't really like that feeling, so I just refrain from ever like having to like feel them and stuff like that. So the ones I got were more of like a natural, like flirty vibe type thing. You know what I'm talking about when it says like flirty on like the fake eyelash packaging. So yeah, it's kind of like the more natural ones. They're not too dramatic. I didn't want like something so overpowering to where it looked like it was fake. I just wanted it to look natural and look like my eyelashes were just longer. So that's what I got, and I loved it. It was exactly what I wanted. It was natural, but it still looked like I had eyelashes. What I love about having eyelashes is that you can go out without makeup and you can still look amazing because your eyelashes will still be clearly visible. What I also love about it is that it saves me so much time. Like, I wake up half an hour later, so I get half an hour of perfect sleeping time because of my eyelash extensions, because all I do on like a daily basis, like I'll do my eyebrows and then that's basically it, and then I'll just brush out my eyelashes and I'll be out the door. I'll put like zero effort and I could still look great. Like, that's the beauty of getting eyelash extensions, is that they are time efficient because you never have to do them, because you just brush them out and you're good to go. Now moving on to what I hate about. Like, my eyes get so watery, especially around like my inner tear duct, I think that's what it's called. Like, my eyes get so watery. The eyelashes that were there, they're just gone. Like, they left town. Just because like my eyes get so watery around there, it's like it wasn't meant to be over there. The other thing about it that I hate is that the water thing, whenever it gets on my eyelashes, it like starts to burn. But again, I got used to it, so it's kind of just whatever. I know that like people will think I'm crazy for getting used to that. Eventually, when things start to happen like on the daily and like as much as you shower, it's eventually just it's just like your body just gets used to the burning sensation. So it's whatever. I also hate how fast my eyelashes, like, they actually grew out. Like, they started like falling off like the day after, and I was so upset. Like, I paid $80 for an eyelash to fall out the next day, so I just couldn't like fathom that. I do honestly like having eyelash extensions. Like, they make me look and feel just like so much prettier. Like, I just love them so much, but like they are like a hassle. Like, for everything there are gonna be like pros and cons, and obviously I love how pretty they look, but then also my eyes start to water and my eyes start to burn and everything like that, and they are so expensive. And like, so basically right now, like, my eyelashes haven't all fallen off, but I don't know if I'm gonna get them refilled, and it's like the inner debate with myself. Like, do I want to get them refilled because I feel so pretty, but do I want to pay $40? That's the real question. I do know for a fact that I really, really want to get them done before prom so that they last throughout graduation, and I think I'm going to get them refilled throughout the summer just so I could have like nice lashes throughout the summer with like tan skin, long eyelashes. That's the dream. That's a 2018 dream, guys. I mean, I like them. I don't necessarily think I'm gonna get them refilled at this very moment, but I do know that I will eventually get them done again. I think I'm gonna do them for like special occasions, so like prom and graduation in the summer. With that being said, that brings me to the end of my video. If you enjoyed it at any point in time, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any other questions about eyelash extensions and my whole experience, or if I left anything out, because I'm having a brain fart and I can't remember what like my friends have been asking me. So if you have any other questions, or if I just didn't answer anything at all, leave it in the comment section down below and I will be sure to answer all of your guys' questions. If you haven't done so already and you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down below. I know you guys know where it is. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!